Stephen E here. Wake the frick up. Bestsellerguru.com. So today I'm talking about how to make millions of dollars with your book. So first off, think about a book is starting a new business. And the reason why people are successful in business is because they changed their thinking here. So you want to look at all the things that are holding you back in life. Because think of yourself as a kid, going to school, being in an environment, whatever environment you were in, it's like you became that environment. So now you have this book, or you're writing this book, and everything that's in your head is going to manifest in this holographic world that we're living in. And it comes down to, this is such a science into quantum physics, into manifestation, into the law of attraction, all that kind of stuff, all is talking the same language. It's basically whatever is in this computer, this database here, is what we're spitting out here and we're creating here over and over and over in our life. And when you go into the neural networks of the brain and how it works, all we're doing is repeating the same patterns over and over. So to make millions with your book, how are you going to do that? First off, you need to think as your book is a business. And then you need to become this voracious student of really learning how to do that. So that's what I kind of teach one-on-one with people that come into my life, is how to do that. Because basically, once you have a book is a door opener for truly your business. It doesn't matter what type of business that is. So somebody reads your book, somebody is going to want more and more of what you have. So what is that? What's that behind it? Are you wanting to be a speaker? Do you have coaching? What do you have behind your book? Because there's always something behind your book. And I've been privileged to meet the best authors in the world. And believe me, the best authors in the world, they're all great business people. And basically they wrote a book because they're so good in business. And that's really it. You know, what is that business? What kind of actions are you taking? But even in business, you are manifesting what's in your head. And basically once you start changing that, you start realizing that you need to start self-actualizing yourself and start changing the database in the head, then you will manifest whatever you want. Is it millions of dollars? Well, it's pretty easy to make $1 million if you have a plan. In fact, if you have, say, if you have 1,000 clients and 1,000 people give you $1,000, that's $1 million right there. If you have 100 clients and they give you $10,000, that's $1 million there. So how is that book is going to get out there and it's going to attract you more clients? So I want to go more into that. If you want to talk more about that, how to do that with your book, how you're going to use that book to attract more and more clients, go to bestsellerguru.com and let's set up a time where we could talk so I could teach you how to make millions of dollars with your book. And believe me, once you figure that out, it's pretty easy. You're going to do it time after time after time. Go to bestsellerguru.com and let's set up a time and we'll go from there. Stephen E.